Hi, welcome to Cafe Delano's Kitchen. Tonight I'm going to show you guys how I make my balsamic glazed Brussels sprouts with bacon. And these are all the ingredients that I prepared. First, we are gonna need diced bacon, 1 tablespoon of red pepper flakes, and we also have chopped garlic, olive oil, of course our Brussels sprouts, balsamic glaze, salt, and pepper to taste. Let's start it. So first we are going to cook our bacon. So turn on our stove to high heat. And we're going to put all our bacon now. Okay, we just keep watching our bacon. Okay. After we cook our bacon, we are going to remove the oil from the bacon because that oil is not the kind of food for all of us. So I'm gonna use the olive oil. Okay, we're not gonna cook like completely our bacon. So I'm going to turn off the stove now and then get all the bacon grease. This is not something not healthy. So we are going to remove this, and then in the same pan we're gonna turn on our stove again to a medium heat. Okay. So now we are going to put our chopped garlic and then the olive oil. And now we are going to put our Brussels sprouts. I am vlogging. Okay, so now we're going to add our red pepper flakes.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe.